Imagine a lush forest thriving in the pitch-black abyss, thousands of meters beneath the waves. This isn't a fantasy, but a vibrant, often overlooked ecosystem powered by sunken timber. Scientists once believed only vents and whale falls could sustain such deep-sea biodiversity. However, the true extent of these hidden woodfall communities challenges everything we understood. For centuries, the ocean floor was considered a barren, desolate expanse, devoid of significant life. Deep-sea exploration gradually revealed oases like hydrothermal vents, supporting exotic chemosynthetic creatures. Yet another remarkable ecosystem, less dramatic but equally vital, exists largely out of sight. These are woodfalls, vast underwater forests formed from trees and debris sinking from the surface. They represent a massive, unexpected transfer of carbon and energy into the deep ocean trenches. Oceanographers explain that these sunken logs provide both shelter and a crucial food source for specialized organisms. This continuous, slow rain of organic material sustains entire communities in perpetual darkness. Understanding these woodfalls reshapes our perception of the deep sea's intricate energy pathways. It reveals a resilience and adaptability previously unimagined in such extreme environments. The sheer volume of sunken wood creates dynamic, ever-changing habitats over vast areas. This discovery compels us to reconsider the deep ocean's true capacity for supporting diverse life. When a tree falls into a river or washes out to sea, its journey into the abyss begins. Waterlogging gradually causes the timber to sink, often descending thousands of meters to the seabed. As the wood settles on the dark seafloor, a unique process of colonization immediately commences. Specialized bacteria are among the first responders, forming dense mats across the woody surface. These microorganisms possess enzymes capable of breaking down cellulose, the wood's primary component. But these initial colonizers merely set the stage for a far more complex biological drama. Soon, tiny marine worms known as shipworms or pteridinids arrive to drill into the timber. These remarkable bivalves don't just eat the wood, they harbor symbiotic bacteria within their gills. These internal bacteria transform the wood cellulose into digestible sugars, fueling the shipworm's growth. Imagine an entire digestive factory operating inside a creature, converting tough wood into sustenance. This creates tunnels and galleries, dramatically increasing the wood's surface area for further colonization. And then, an even stranger group of creatures makes its appearance, adding another layer of complexity. Deep-sea snails, crustaceans, and brittle stars are drawn to these newly excavated woody environments. They graze on the bacterial mats and detritus, thriving on the waste products of the shipworms. Experts describe these woodfalls as vibrant, self-contained islands of life in an otherwise food-scarce zone. The decomposition process can continue for decades, even centuries, depending on the wood species. Each stage of decay supports a different suite of organisms, creating a constant ecological turnover. But the most astonishing aspect is how these isolated patches become interconnected lifelines. These woodfalls act as stepping stones, allowing species to traverse vast stretches of barren seabed. Larvae of wood-boring organisms can drift from one woodfall to another, establishing new colonies. This facilitates genetic exchange and expands the ranges of deep-sea species across ocean basins. Consider it an underwater highway system, built from fallen trees, connecting distant deep-sea communities. And the surprises don't end there. Some woodfalls host species found nowhere else on Earth. Chemosynthetic mussels, similar to those found at vents, can also thrive on hydrogen sulfide produced by decaying wood. This demonstrates an incredible flexibility in deep-sea life, adapting to various energy sources. Such discoveries continually challenge our assumptions about the strict boundaries of deep-sea ecosystems.
The existence of extensive woodfall ecosystems has profound implications for deep-sea biodiversity.
They create unique habitats, fostering the evolution of highly specialized and endemic species. Marine biologists emphasize their critical role in the global carbon cycle, sequestering carbon for millennia. Woodfalls effectively remove atmospheric carbon dioxide, locking it away deep beneath the ocean surface. This long-term carbon storage mechanism provides a natural climate regulation service for our planet. Furthermore, these discoveries highlight the immense resilience and adaptability of life in extreme conditions. It proves that life finds a way, even with sparse resources, creating complex webs of interaction. Understanding these forgotten ecosystems is crucial for developing effective deep-sea conservation strategies. Protecting deep-sea environments means considering all their intricate, interconnected components. The impact extends to our understanding of ancient oceans, imagining similar wood-powered ecosystems from past eras. This knowledge helps us predict how future changes might affect these vulnerable, hidden communities. Scientists continue to explore these deep-sea forests, uncovering new species and ecological dynamics. Each new discovery reinforces the ocean's boundless capacity for wonder and biological innovation. The ocean's unseen depths hold countless more secrets, waiting patiently for human exploration. The story of deep-sea woodfalls reveals an extraordinary, largely hidden world beneath the waves. It teaches us that even seemingly simple organic matter can fuel incredibly complex and vital ecosystems. The ocean's ability to repurpose fallen trees into vibrant habitats is a testament to nature's ingenuity. If you found this fascinating glimpse into the deep ocean captivating, subscribe for more incredible stories. Let me know in the comments what other untold ocean mysteries you'd like us to explore next.